So today we're doing the oil change on the Freightliner FL70 box truck. Gotta get an oil filter. This is the oil filter. 5-gallon bucket of oil. You really need 5.5, so I'm gonna put the 5 gallons in there to see how far my oil line go up, and then once I see where it's at, I will go from there to add another 1/2 gallon or another gallon or so. This is the oil filter. You need a oil wrench, some type of wrench to unscrew it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Underneath the bottom, you have your oil pan. This is the oil plug that goes inside of there. You need a 17 millimeter socket. And it's just simple as 1 and 2. Pull it out, let it drain, then go under, get your oil filter off. Make sure you got your oil drain bucket right there because it's oil inside your filter. Some people put oil inside their filter when they first change it, or sometimes it could just go in there automatically. But normally I put the 1/2 gallon inside there and put the 5 gallon inside the truck. Let's go.